Yes, good morning all. This is the second video of lesson number 11, class 5 science. The name of the chapter is air and water. So in the previous video we discussed about the components of air or atmosphere. This video you will be studying about the properties of air. So air is having different properties like air occupies space, air has weight, air exerts pressure and air supports combustion. So we will be discussing each one by one. So first is air occupies space. So for this I am having one balloon, this balloon, okay, and I am blowing air in it. See. So when I have blown air inside, the space of the balloon or the space the balloon has taken has increased as compared to the previous one, like this. Okay, so like this is one deflated balloon that is not having any air, but this balloon is having air. So see the space the air can occupy, and air has capacity to occupy spaces also. This is the first property. With this balloon you can see this. Now next is air has weight, that is air is having weight. So if you happen to compare if you have a weight balance, you just hold this one, that is deflated balloon, in one hand and inflated balloon in one hand. Okay, you will find this weight will be more, the weight of this balloon will be more. Or I am having two balls. See, I am having two balls. This balloon is not having any air, you can press it. Okay. And this balloon is having, this ball is having air, you cannot press it. So if you hold these footballs in one hand like this and this, you can easily make out that this weight of this football is more, because this is having air, this is full of air, and this ball, that is this one, this is not having any air, and this is having air, so this is having more weight than this one. Okay, so the next property that you will be reading is air exerts pressure. So how that can be shown is, suppose this is a straw and this is a cold drink. When you all have used this straw for drinking fluid or for drinking cold drink. So what you are doing is, you are pushing it. You are pushing. See this side of my mouth, you see. Okay, so if you happen to see, you push it, you suck it. That is, with the pressure of this air, you can, now see, this is coming up. See the color? Okay, so this pressure I have, if I am releasing this, this liquid will go down. But this is used for filling up the medicines in the injection. This air pressure is used for drinking liquids or drinking fluids from any of the bottle. So air can exert pressure. Next thing you are having is air supports combustion. So combustion means burning. Burning means when you are burning, like you are having a candle, like I am having a candle with me. These two candles are there. Okay, these two candles are there. Both of them are burning. Okay, but in one of the candle, I use this glass to switch off the supply of oxygen or supply of air. I am using it. So what will happen is, after half minute, this candle will be blown. Why? Because inside air has been used by this one. Inside air has been used this by one, and under the same capacity, same conditions, this candle is blowing, or this is lightning, but this candle has stopped giving burning, or this candle is stopped burning. So that we can say that because of air, we can use the candle can be blown. So the next topic is water. So you are using water. You can think from morning to whatever time you are watching the video. See how many times you have used the water for drinking, for cleaning, for cooking, for washing, for bathing. All these things are used in water. All these ways the water is used. And then the next topic will be the impurities in water. That is water, whatever water is there in the nature, that is not all the time fit for drinking. That is not all the time fit for using. So there are different impurities in the water that can be studied under two categories. So one is impurities which are soluble. They are of two types. One is soluble impurities, other is insoluble impurities. So as the name suggests, soluble will be the one which can dissolve in water, like salt, like sugar. We can make a uniform mixture out of, when you are dissolving water in sugar, or when you are dissolving sugar in water, or when we are dissolving salt in water, the water can be made as uniform mixture. Now next, when we are dissolving, like suppose tea leaves in water, or second, when we are dissolving sand in water, what will happen is they will not be soluble. So that will be insoluble impurities. And how to remove these impurities, that we will be studying in the next video.